Hello friends, welcome to Exam Timeline YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will learn 10 lines essay on my hobby. My favorite hobby. First line. Gardening is my favorite hobby since childhood. Second line. I have a small garden in front of my house. Third line. My younger sister and mother helps me in maintaining my garden. Fourth line. There are many beautiful flowers available in my garden like rose, lily, orchids, marigold, jasmine, hibiscus, etc. Fifth line. I have also planted lemon tree, guava tree, mango tree and papaya tree. Sixth line. I water my plants in the morning and in the evening. Seventh line. I spend most of my free time in gardening. Eighth line. Gardening keeps me fresh, healthy and active. Ninth line. Gardening gives me real joy and satisfaction of the heart and mind. 10th and the last one. I love my garden very much. Thanks for watching. Like, share or subscribe our YouTube channel.